Good afternoon. I'm doing a quick walk around on this 2014 GMC Sierra. This one is pristine. It is SLT 4x4 crew cab, and it's in really good shape. I'll do a rather lengthy walk around on this one, just because it's got a bunch of extras on it. But for now, let's just take a brief walk around the exterior. It's like a nice gunmetal gray color. Looks really good with these fuel wheels. This is the SLT with Z71 as well. But yeah, it's in really good shape. I don't see any chips or anything like that. All right, so let's go start with the tires. Of course, we get a helicopter right now. Let's take a video. There we go. Thank you, buddy. So yeah, we got 30, I think, let's make sure. Yeah, these are 35s, 35 12.5 20s. These are Toyo all-terrains. They have a lot of life on them. Not sure about the suspension. Maybe you are more familiar than I am with this. Oh yeah, the wheels as well. We got 20-inch fuel wheels. Again, a lot of rubber left on these. I'd say they're like 90%. Let's take a quick peek over the bed. It has a spray and bed liner. It looks like it's a Rhino lining. In really good shape as well. Let's take another look at the other tires and wheels. All right, now let's take a look at the interior. It has black leather with some wood grain here. It is crew cab, so it's got the roomy back seat here. Let's park this back open. Okay, let's take a peek at the driver's seat from back here. All right, let's hop in the driver's seat. Again, this is in fantastic condition. All right. Turn this down. Okay. This is like the only blemish I really see is just this on the steering wheel. I think it's on, both sides, but that's literally it. We got cruise control, steering wheel controls, the radio in the back of the steering wheel, 4-wheel drive, brake controllers, headlights. And this unit's got 109K on it. Alright, so we got nav. Let me throw it in reverse. Got backup cam. We got heated seats, vented seats as well, which is really nice. Does have remote start. Dual climate. Let's open these up. We got USBs, 12 volt, the 110 there. I don't know if it's actually a 110. We got the center console, some more USBs. Looks like we got an extra center cap. Alright, let's pop the hood. I'm 90% sure this is the 5.3, but either way, I'll have the specs on it on whichever website you're looking at this vehicle on. Yeah, so if you're looking for a really clean lifted GMC Sierra crew cab 4x, this could be yours. Definitely worth your time if this is roughly what you're looking for, just based on how clean this one is. It's definitely not thrashed or anything like that. So yeah, I hope this video helps out. Thanks for watching. Take care.